Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to interface microwave Doppler radar sensor with Arduino Nano. So as you can see that V in and ground pin of the sensor are connected to 5 volt and ground of Arduino Nano, and the output pin is connected to the digital pin 12 of Arduino. The positive pin of LED is connected to the D3 of Arduino through a 220 ohm resistor. So the Doppler radar sensor has been designed as an alternative to the common PIR sensor. So as you know that the PIR sensor detects motion by the body radiation from a moving person, but the microwave Doppler motion sensor detects the motion using the microwave Doppler radar technology. So the Doppler radar works by transmitting a microwave signal to a target, and then it analyzes the change in the frequency of the returned signal. So the sensor module uses an RCW9196 chip. It supports the repeated triggers, a 360-degree detection area, and it has no blind spot at all. So I powered the setup using Arduino Nano USB cable, and now if I move my hand, it detects and turns high the LED, and it's a 360-degree sensor, so the objects doesn't need to be in the front of the sensor. And it can even detect the motion through thin walls or plastic and any other thin materials. So I'm going to put this setup in a box. So as you can see that it is detecting my hand's motion through the box, and so now in next step I am going to compare both the PIR sensor and this microwave Doppler radar sensor by putting them side by side and then moving my hand. So now I have connected both the PIR sensor and microwave radar sensor side by side. So if I move my hand in front of the PIR sensor, it will detect the motion of my hand and turn on the LED. Now if I take my hand in back side of the sensor, it doesn't detect any motion and any LED remains turned off. That's why, because it is a 90-degree sensor, and the object should be in the front of the sensor, and that's not the case with the microwave radar sensor, as it says 360-degree sensor and can detect motion from any direction. So there's another difference between PIR sensor and microwave sensor, that is the temperature. Now if we increase the temperature, means above the 35 or 40 degrees Celsius, it sometimes falls triggers the motion or even doesn't recognize the true motion, and that's not the case with the PIR microwave radar sensor. Now I am going to use the hot air gun to explain this temperature point. So as you can see that as the temperature reaches the certain level, it has some difficulties in recognizing the motion. Now it is not even recognizing, and if we try the same with the radar sensor, So as you can see, that temperature doesn't seem to affect its ability to detect the motion. So that's the second difference between PIR sensor and the microwave radar sensor. The third difference is the stability and the accuracy of the sensor. So the microwave radar sensor is very accurate when it comes to detecting the motion, and on the other hand the PIR sensor is not that accurate. And if we talk about the power consumption, that the microwave radar sensor consumes more power than the PIR sensor, and the PIR microwave radar sensor has the more lifespan than the PIR motion sensor. So that's all in this video. The complete step-by-step guide for interfacing microwave radar sensor with Arduino Nano is given at the link in the video description down below. Thanks for watching the video.